So, hi guys, a very good morning. In fact, good afternoon by the watch. I'm Justin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions, where we have lamps, mirrors, consoles, and lots of other interesting items and stuff. I'm the founder and the CEO and the brainwave behind this. And as you can see, I'm taking it easy and I'm chilling and I'm kind of recovering from a spell of bad weather and stuff. So I'm hoping everybody else is having a great time ahead. So as I go through the day and I do something which I do daily, and I swear by it, the daily joys and simple stuff in life, which is a nice cup of chai and coffee. It's one of the favorites, and it's not a favorite only in India, but it's actually chai, which is very popular when you go to Japan, Korea, China, or wherever, So that's that. So now my share is about an interesting read on self control, and as I share this, I'm reminded of this one, mind share, which was happening at. Why would I go far? There are two places. One is a Marwa studio, and the second is the Founders Club. And I'd like to share this that self control is so important. And when we are on TV, we are following stuff. When we go online, we are following stuff. We see people losing control. We see people use unparliamentary language. We see people abusing, giving it back on TV, which has become a very casual and a general practice, And I find it inappropriate because from the world that I've grown up in and the world I come in, I think people are supposed to be respected and talked to and treated nicely and stuff. There are lots of people who believe in that, but then there is a whole set of people who doesn't abide by that, and expression and communication becomes a big joke on social media and on TV, and of course there are controls around that as well. The share is not about this. The share is about self control. So coming back on the experience, I remember a few months back I was in Marva studio, and there was a share on communication and stuff in the startup world. And I remember being a part of that, and we had ladies and men from different corporates and the top 10 brands of the country, including the government brands and stuff. And there was this one gentleman who was pretty rude because the lady was making a presentation and showing us a corporate, it was a corporate walkthrough about the company, the petroleum company of India and the world and stuff. I don't know what state of mind this man was in, and I think he was pretty rude because he brought the lady down. He insulted her in front of the entire in front of the entire forum, and 2 3 people also joined him and stuff. And I was like. I wanted to speak my mind and say this is no way to talk to a lady and this is no way to kind of conduct and behave. I held myself back, but I saw the two seniors who were sitting there. One was, of course, Mr. Sandeep Barwa, and the second was, I think she was the general manager of the petroleum firm. And ideally, a person would expect some action to happen and stuff, but both of them were so calm and composed, and both of them did not lose their cool. Both of them, in fact, trying to kind of sober the guy down and bring the situation down, and not let it blow out of proportion and stuff. And I came back, and I still remember I shared this at home. I shared this in my work meetings and stuff, and it taught me one lesson, and it reminded me of one lesson. If people are rude and nasty to you, you do not have to be that way. The second was I went to the Founders Club, and I think the CEO was not available, and there was a debate and a discussion happening, and some Koreans and Japanese had come in, and there was a scene there, and I think it was over alcohol or something. And ideally, a person who would lose their temper and blow, people would come and blow in their steam and stuff. But then a junior lady walked in and she kind of took charge of the situation and sorted it out. There's another experience I had, which was at this the Spanish center in Delhi. I was there on Friday and Saturday, and normally what they do is they take in people's names and numbers through registration, and you're allowed to be a part of the event and stuff. And a friend of mine who's working in Bangalore for $1 billion company had flown in, and we both went there. And unfortunately, they didn't have our email and stuff like that, so they asked me to wait. there was another lady, a senior lady from the court. She was strict, and she said, "You know what? You said the event is going to start at 5:30. It's already 5:45. Why is the registration and everything not happening?" So she kind of got into a situation, not in a rude manner, but of course she raised this thing that you kind of created this. Thing on us that we got to be here by 5:30. It's 5:45. I've come all the way and things have not happened. And the girl, Lavanya was her name. I loved her reactions and her communication skills because she did not show reactions. She just said, "Ma'am, you know what? You'll have to wait because there's been a change in the plan and stuff like that. And if you want, we can check you in and stuff, and you can take the seat, but the event is not going to start." And I think there's some miscommunication that has happened. The first emailer said 5:30. The second emailer said it'll be a delay and stuff. So I guess you didn't get it. So there was no unpleasantness there, and I was there, and my email had also not reached them and stuff. So she said, "Please wait for me. We have 500 people who've come in, and if those 500 people don't turn in, we're going to allow you in and stuff, but you'll have to wait. And even if it is 250 and 250 people fit in and kind of make an entry, we'll allow you to go in." And she explained this to me in a very nice, soft manner and stuff, not throwing her tantrums, not losing her cool, not being upset or whatever. And this left an impression on me. So this is where my read is coming from. I'll take you on to the next video. Yeah.